Hey crypto family, so today's an amazing day for Bitcoin. We can see it's up over 7.5% to $8,664. I know a lot of people did not see this coming. They're expecting us to go down to at least 7,000 before retesting the 8,400 resistance, but we can see here that we actually are passing that, and I'll go over in a second some Bitcoin analysis. But looking at the other altcoins, again, most of them are doing 6% or more to the upside. Tron is actually up over 12%, and I'll go over why that's up so much. Then all the other altcoins are up as well. So again, it's great to see a lot of altcoins. Hopefully you've been holding and you did realize some of these gains. Now looking at Bitcoin right now, we can see I had a resistance line at that 8,400 level. This is on the daily chart here. You can see I got that resistance line from May 23rd of 2018 as well as July 29th of 2018. So both times it could not pass that. So once it broke that resistance now, our next point we're looking at, there is a resistance right now on March 23rd, 2018 that was around this 8,900 level. And you can see Bitcoin actually went up to that 8,900 level but has not been able to pass it. So it went up to a high of $8,889. So we're gonna have to see if we can pass that. If we can pass that, then we're possibly looking towards 9,300 and even 10,000. So a lot of people are looking at 10,000 right now. Again, the RSI is overbought, but it still has some room to run. So we could very well continue to the upside. Longs and shorts are continuing to increase. So again, that's pretty standard. Basically, a lot of shorts are thinking that this is going to fall, and a lot of longs are getting that FOMO feeling, thinking it'll continue to rise. So it could really go either way right now. If you have some profits, I recommend possibly taking half and then buying back on a dip if there is one. But again, not investment advice, just my opinion. So we'll have to see if we can break above this 8,900 and then closer to that $10,000 level. Now, one of the first things I want to talk about is Tron. And so I mentioned it was up 12%. And one of the reasons is because Justin Sun, CEO of Tron, he tweeted about BitTorrent's upcoming announcement, and BitTorrent surged 20%. And he actually says something huge is going on. He tweeted, something huge and amazing is going on about Tron and BitTorrent. I will share with you after June 1st. I think I have 70% to win and nail it, fingers crossed. And this was May 26th. So again, that was the big rise of Tron. And you can see actually BitTorrent as well. If you scroll down to that, that is up today over 9%. So that's had a run, but right now Tron is the main spotlight. But you know, like it or love it, I know a lot of people don't like it because they market so much on Twitter, and a lot of people see that as shilling it. You know, it could go either way, but at least they are trying to push their product and trying to keep innovating. So this is one coin. Again, it's not bad to hold a little bit of Tron just in case it does have that pump. It did go to a high of over 20 cents in late 2017. So again, anything could happen. Right now it's a little over 3 cents. So we have to see what happens with that. But again, you know, always keep in mind that these tweets can just pump a coin like crazy, and Justin Sun is someone who tweets a lot. So like him or hate him, he is trying to market Tron as much as possible, but that's one of the big reasons. So we'll have to see June 1st if the big announcement does come. Now this next article is by Ethereum World News, and it says Coinbase crypto payment portal hits milestone, adoption is happening. So this is more of that mainstream adoption I've been talking about. It says Coinbase Commerce hits $50 million in processed transactions. That is insane. It says Coinbase Commerce, the crypto startup's application for merchants and online retailers, has recently surpassed 50 million in processed transactions. Speaking to the outlet, the facet of Coinbase has seen volume pick up through Q2 of this year, which coincides with the bull's price action. Coinbase Commerce has already been integrated into online e-commerce giants like Spotify, WooCommerce, and others, which has helped to boost the adoption of the application. So again, they're continuing to increase in volume through Q2, which is great to see. Again, more of that adoption is happening. And as well, you remember I mentioned here this AT&T article. They're valued at $234 billion, and they'll be accepting Bitcoin payments for their services through the Atlanta headquartered BitPay. So again, you have a lot of these people starting to accept Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies through online retailers, and right now we're getting to the mobile space. So again, this is what you want to look for. This is what you want to look. A lot of these companies are leading the way. So competition is always good, and it won't be long before their competitors want to jump on board to catch this cryptocurrency train. So again, something I want to keep in mind and something I want to bring to your attention is, again, that's possibly some of the reasons why Bitcoin has been continuing to increase and why we are seeing more and more people come into it. I can definitely expect that Bitcoin, a lot of people will still be FOMOing into this, so we'll have to see what happens with that. And again, right now I'm looking at this 8,400 for that support. If we can come down and test this, hopefully we bounce off it and continue to rise towards this $10,000 mark, which a lot of people are looking at. So with that, if y'all enjoyed this video, please give it a like, comment if you have any questions, and please subscribe if you haven't. Until next time, thanks for watching.